In this video, I will show you how to find free copyright images in Google search. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Google search browser, the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on images. Once you click on images, it's changed to something like this. Then here, you can simply type in whatever type of image you are looking for. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for elephant, then hit enter. Then you have the result right here. Every result you have right there is going to be pure images. Now, how can you filter and get a free ones among some of these images right here? So what you need to do is to simply click on tools right here. So right here, how can you filter out and get the free ones among some of these images right here? You can see licensable, and this one here is free. Anyone that is free is not going to be written licensable. So this one here is licensable. If you click on it, then you will be given the detail. This is a copyright simulation institution. All right, reserve credit to this particular person right here. And this is National Zoo. Okay. Now, if you go back to the search right here, anyone that does not have any attribution, like this one here, let's click on it. And then you see this one here does not have any attribution, which simply means that it is a free image. You can go back right here, just like so. The more you scroll down, the more you see different image that is going to load up right here. Okay, these are new ones right here. And you can use this method to search for any types of image as the case may be on Google search. Let's say, for instance, we are looking for another image. So we are looking for Black America model. Hit enter. Then we have them all right here. Some of them here are licensable, while some of them are free. Like this one here, it is licensable. This one here is not also free. And then if you see any free ones among them right here, it's not going to be labeled licensable. However, you can make use of Google too to filter out. Come to the top right there, click on tool, then come to license usage right here. So you have Creative Commons license, you have commercial and other license. This is for no filter. If you choose Creative Commons license right here, you have fair right of use right here. So Creative Commons license here, you can see all image here are licensable. Okay, now let's go back to tools and filter out. Then we come back to tool again, and then Creative Commons license. Then we want to make sure we navigate to commercial other license right here. Boom. Then we have everything right here, just like so. These are some of the licensable right here. So any image that has a licensable, it simply means that they are not for free. For you to get a free one, it's not going to be labeled. So go back to tool right here, then license, no filter. Then from here, you can get free ones. So like this one here, it is free. It's not licensable. So this one here also, it is free. And then you can go on and filter out. This one here is licensable. You cannot use it for free. It's a stock photo. And this one here is that simple. So basically, this is how to find a real free royalty image on your Google search. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.